Look who it is. Today should be fun. What's up, guys? You watching another video. If you guys did not watch last video was very sad. Spoiler alert if you didn't watch the last video. I think the transmission on the GTR broke again, guys. I don't know how. I've not found out yet. It's at the shop again, but we're assuming that the 5th gear is now out. If you guys watched the video, it sounded so bad. Last time was 4th gear, now 5th gear is out. I don't understand why. I don't understand how that happened. Put a new transmission in it, and I barely even drove the car. As you guys have seen, I've been driving the F80 all the time. I paid $7 grand to fix that transmission, guys. And then I sat for a week getting wrapped, and then the next couple weeks I barely drove it because I was driving this car a lot. So in reality, I only drove the GTR for maybe a week, guys, and then that happened to the transmission. Obviously not my fault. I was babying the car and everything. But once I get more updates, I'll let you guys know what we're gonna do with the car or what's gonna happen. But anyways, we are in the F80 now. Thankfully, we have the F80. I'm blessed to say that. But we're in the F80. We just met up with Ariane in the McLaren. And we're about to meet up with Kevin in the Lime Rock or the M4 GTS. Let's see what he drives today. If you guys have been keeping up with the vlogs, you guys know that Ariane, oh my God. You guys know that Ariane got a McLaren. My boy's in a supercar. Now that the GTR is broken, we might have to sell it and get a supercar, guys. I don't know. It sucks because I don't want to. You guys know the GTR is my dream car and like my baby, bro. But I don't know. It might be time to part ways. We'll see, guys. Also, check out the new hats, guys. We are dropping these hats next Friday. Mark your calendars. Do not forget. Posted these in the last video and you guys love them, bro. I have tons of homies and tons of you guys asking me about the hats already, trying to buy them early. 2 shirts, 2 hats next Friday. Don't forget, mark your calendars. They are gonna sell out, and once they're gone, they're gone. So quality is insane and they look so sick. Anyways, let's get into the video, guys. Let's go. I'm trying to film the McLaren, bro. Honestly, what if my transmission went out because I kept talking about getting a new car? Maybe the GTR is sad, bro. Maybe the GTR doesn't like me talking about replacing it. God damn it, it sounds sick. We met up with another F80. What the? It's a red F80, bro. This thing is fire. This red is so clean. It got HREs on it. Must be nice. Damn, those are expensive. Probably twice the price of my wheels. Sheesh, and you got the yellow headlights. Everyone got the yellow lights.
I know.
Everyone, look, you can see the reflection. The yellow's so bright, bro.
It's nice though.
We got Ariane, we got Kevin. I'm seeing Kevin every day now. And tomorrow.
Pretty much.
Are we going tomorrow?
Yes.
We're going to San Diego tomorrow, guys. I think.
What do you mean you think?
Probably not.
Yes, you are.
I might back out last
drag
minute.
you out of the house.
Bro, that's far. All right, we made it to the car meet, guys. We got the F80s. We got an E92. This thing's actually fire. It got carbon fiber headlights. Why have I never seen that on an E92? That's pretty hard. And got the forged style wheels. You guys remember these? This is the OG FindingNick wheel setup right here. Damn. Literally reminds me of my E92, guys. And it has the roll cage. A little bit different than the one I had, but very similar setup like my old car. Damn it, I miss the E92, guys. The wheels are sick though. I literally had these for like 4 or 5 years. I didn't even show you guys. Look at the lip. Oh my God. It's literally destroyed now. Look how ugly it is. It's not even the shape anymore. Yeah, it looks so bad. This side's worse. I don't know when or how I did that, but I must have hit something. I'm just being a little reckless with it now that it's broken. I need to order a new one. Currently watching the fight, guys, at the car meet. Who's gonna win? Guys, look at this thing, satin black M4. I kind of want to wrap my satin black. The carbon hood is fire. Not many people do the carbon hood. That one's clean too, Nardo gray. I wanted to do Nardo gray as well. There's actually a bunch of BMWs. Like another F80, guys. That blue is fire. For sure paint. Pretty sure it's the CS. Yup, it's the CS blue. These are so nice, but they're super expensive, bro. At least another 20, 30 on top of mine. Got the ceramic brakes. Yeah, there's tons of BMWs. Oh, look, there's Kevin. What the? He parked next to a GTR. Damn, bro. Too soon right now, though, guys. I'm still sad about mine. But there's another GTR here. And I got a fat tire setup, just like mine. And this hood is fire. This is the hood that I want, guys. I don't know why everyone's leaving, but I think because the cops got here. You can see them over there. Everyone's all scared.
They're not even over here.
This thing is so nice though, guys. The carbon hood. I want this hood. The tire setup is sick too. The wheels, it's fire. It's actually lady driven too. Little GTR in there. Little Godzilla. We got some supercars, McLaren. This color's fire. Sheesh. Got the orange seatbelts in there. I was gonna say it's a red McLaren, it's Arion. Man, they pulled up in the Urus. Must be nice. And the little old Mustang. It's a weird combination of cars. That shit fire, bro. Damn, that shit nice too. Oh my god, I found the supercar spot. Got a red STO.
Yo, Nick,
freaking sick that is.
I was holding the show. Second location's live.
Alright, damn, this thing is sick, bro. Oh my god. Guys, STOs have become my favorite Huracan 100%. I don't even want a regular Huracan. I want the STO. It has all this aero on it, the wing. It's just so sick. It's like a race car on the street. So nice. And then Porsche GT3 RS, some G80s, GT2 RS. Damn, big baller. You know how expensive these are, guys? Another Porsche. And then last but not least, a freaking SVJ, bro. Still watching the fight, by the way. No one's knocking anyone out. 6 more seconds. Aww. Oh, that's it. Let's hear this thing start. Oh my god. The best sounding car. Damn, the cops are pulling up hot, I think. There's 2 cop cars now. That's why everyone's scared. Another red Huracan. That is clean. Man, that shit sounds crazy. Yeah, guys, like I said before, it's starting to become impossible to throw car meets here in California. Cops shut them down instantly. I mean, they didn't really shut it down, but there is 3 of them just waiting. And everyone's just out. They don't even want to risk it. Guys, well, the cops shut down the last spot. Now we're about to head to a little gas station, regroup. Because the security came and he told us that the cops are going to pull up and tow all our cars. So we got to get out of here before we piss off the cops. But now there's 2 McLarens. The Arion got the McLaren. Over Sean got the McLaren.
Sir.
This shit hard.
Soon you gotta get the McLaren.
I might have to do it too, guys. We might all have 570s. I think we're all about to have 570s, guys. They are sick though. I'm not gonna lie. This is the one that's wrapped kind of like my GTR color, if you guys remember. Now you can see it with the light on it. It's literally just like my old GTR wrap, guys. Looks good on a McLaren. And then Arion has the red one. If I got one, it would definitely be all red like this, or I'm wrapping it satin black. Everything. I'm gonna black out everything and just have carbon fiber everywhere. It'll be sick. Bro, it's literally all F80s, guys. Like, the homie with another F80. We got a Yas Marina one. We got my gray one. We got Ariz's white convertible. The Mola red one. That paint is so fire. Guys, look who's here. My boy with the Mustang. You guys remember this thing. Oh, let me go back there. Oh my god, bro. It's actually hot. Bro, that shit's actually hot. Like, I'm sweating. Oh my god, dude. I'm pretty sure our cars are the loudest F80s. But that shit is so loud. Oh my god. Bro, I gotta get someone to record my car from the outside.
It's just, you have an exhaust. He has the stock box.
They want to do a little rev battle. They want to do my M3 versus the red one. They're both similar tunes. Like, they're super freaking loud. Look at all the colors we got.
Johnny versus DME.
Oh yeah, this is a Jatani tune, huh? And that's DME tune. Both that fadies. God damn. He might got us beat.
Live with KG taking over Nick's vlog. Comment down below, who do you think is gonna win in this flame revving battle here? Wait. Oh my god, it's just gonna be so loud. Oh my god. Comment down below right now. All right.
What's wrong, Kevin? Whose is louder, bro?
Your pops are louder.
My pops are pretty loud. The pops like hurt, bro.
Bro, I swear, my brain like moved.
For sure, the cops are coming. You think I'm the winner?
My winner.
It's too loud, though.
You won.
Okay, I won. What is this? No, I don't want it. They're both super loud, dude.
You won. You want wheels? You want the best wheels? You want the best exhaust? You want the best flames? Best pop? Just give it all to Nick.
But you got the best color, bro. I want this color. I wish I could have the red.
Use it all.
Cops are for sure getting called, bro.
Yeah.
They for sure think those are gunshots. Oh, the security, let's go. Bro, where are we at?
You're about to see.
God damn, look at this driveway. Must be nice. Where are we at? Shit looks like a GTA house, bro.
Yeah, welcome to the crib, bro.
The crib or what?
Yeah. I'm a McLaren.
Bro, it looks like it.
It's a GTA house, huh? Yeah, so I just copped the McLaren, just copped the house.
Damn, G. What is that? Turbo? Yeah, guys, I don't know where we are, but
Following you?
it was bad or what?
Yeah, I was gonna hit it.
The fumes? Bro, this house is insane. This is huge, bro. I like your house, Kevin.
Thank you, bro.
It's fire.
Yeah, it took a lot of years, but
Can I get $1 million loan, please?
anything you want, baby.
Alright, ready?
No, I'm not ready. I'm scared. Oh, no, I don't fuck with snakes, bro. What is it? No, I can't. What is it, bro?
They're all caged up.
Bro, I don't fuck with snakes at all, bro.
It's like a zoo. They're all locked up, bro.
Bro,
I swear to God.
guys, I don't like snakes at all, bro. It's my worst fear.
Hey, man, don't dump it.
Come on.
Bro, snakes are my biggest fear, bro. Like, I swear to God. I don't know if I can do it, bro.
Don't touch it. Don't tap on the glass.
I don't like snakes. Oh my God, where are we at? Oh, hell nah.
Alright. Whoa.
Oh, hell no. Guys, look at this thing. Bro, I literally can't even look at it. I don't know.
Move. I don't want to stay.
Guys can fucking jump it.
Bro. Oh, hell, I hear it, bro.
Look how fast she is. Just zoom in on her.
Oh my god, look at those stairs.
How much is it?
Look at the tail.
You can hear it.
Bro, I don't know, I'm scared.
There's more?
This is actually big for me, guys. I'm scared of snakes. It's probably my biggest fear, bro.
What's over here?
Bro, what's over there, dude? Where are we at, bro?
Bro, let me see.
What the? Whoa!
Oh, shit! Oh, hell no! Bro, why does he have this many snakes?
Look, you see all this?
Nick! Look at the one.
They're all 15-foot snakes, right?
Look at the one in the middle.
How scary looks. Her name's Lucy. It's the most valuable. Bro, these are
They're Bart Simpson.
Look at this
what a
shit.
cool guy, bro. I owned a bearded dragon, and that's where I drew the line, my boy. That shit is
Bearded
huge.
dragons are hella cool too.
And I also had a Chinese water dragon once.
Hey, Omar,
Those are hard to take.
Omar, none of them are hungry?
Oh, hell no.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.